4 minus 1, that's 3, quick maths. Everyday man's on the block, smoke trees. See your girl.
Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning classes managed by Modern English School, Nevada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher. Today I will discuss exercise 7b, similarity. So dear students, it is very simple questions, so see here. Dear student, today I will teach you that how you can write the name of two similar triangle and then what property use it. I write here some examples on the board and discuss one by one how you write the name of the triangle if it is similar and which type of property using it. So first questions you see here, it is ABCJ triangle and it is PQRJ triangle. Angle A50, B60, C70, here P60, Q50 and R70. Dear student, in these questions, angle A is equal to 50 degree, that is Q. And angle B is equal to, here B60 degree, that is P. And angle C is equal to 70 degree and it is equal to R. So when you find out that 50 is equal to Q, that is A is equal to Q, so when you want to write the similar relation between them, then you write triangle ABC similar triangle QPR. Triangle QPR. How? That means angle A is equal to Q. Find out. Angle A is equal to Q. A50, Q50. Next B is equal to P. Here B is equal to 60. Then here P is equal to 60. And next C is equal to 70 degree. And here C is equal to R. And R is 70 degree. And here use angle. So you write the property A similarity. This is the question first. Second question, in your book also given, here is 3, here is 4.5, here is 6, here is 9. Here is slightly mistakes in your book also. Here is 70 and here is 70. This 70 lies between two sides. That means SAS means this angle included between two sides. In this figure it is given that. But in this figure this 70 is here, then it is similar. Otherwise 70 is there A, so it is not similar. We can't write it in the similar form and similar name. Only one the condition, the angle A is always lies between two sides of the triangle. Here angle A lies between two sides of triangle, but here is not lying. So it is not similar. Right? It is not similar. So student, now third, you find out here is AB2, BC3, AC5, here is D6, EF10, DF5. Dear student, find here 2, then here is 4. So you write this AB divided by DF is equal to 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Next BC is 3 divided by DE, that is 3 by 6, it is also 1 by 2. And third 5 AC and it is EF, then it is 5 by 10, then it is also 1 by 2, then it is clearly AB by DF is equal to BC by DE is equal to AC by EF. So all three sides are proportionally equal. All three sides are proportionally equal. So these two triangles are similar by SSS. All three sides are proportionally equal. Then these two triangles are similar. But how you can write their name? Find out. I write ABC, suppose. You write triangle ABC similar. A, B, C, right? Then first you goes 2, then 3, last 5. So here you write first 4, then 6, and last 8. So you write similar triangle F, D, E. Again, I write A, B, C, that is first 2, then 3, last 5. So 2 is equal to 4, so you write F, D, and E. Here is and last E. So F, D, F, D, E. Find out here write A, B, C. First A, then B, then C. First 2, then 3. Here is first 4, then 6, and last remaining. So F, D, E. How it is possible? Write AB by FD. Find out. AB by FD, 2 by 4. Next BC by DE. BC by DE, 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. And last AC by FE. AC by FE means 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. So you write the name of the triangle like this. And last question is here 6, here is 12, here is 30, here is 30, here is 8, here is 60. It is also similar by SAS because you write AB by MN is equal to 1 by 2 because 6 by 12. Next BC by NP is equal to 8 by 16, that is also 1 by 2, and angle B is equal to angle N, both are equal. So these angles are lies between two sides, included two sides, and two sides are the proportional. So this figure used by SAS because two sides and one angle included between them, and naming them is A, B, C, and here write M, N, P. So that students should try to write their name and solve the questions. Now see question number 4 of exercise 7b. Given that in the figure angle ADE is equal to angle B, angle AD is there and angle B is here. Angle ADE is equal to angle B. So that triangle AD is similar to ABC. Means this small triangle are similar to large triangle. If AD is equal to 3.8, AE is equal to 3.6, B is equal to 2.1, BC is equal to 4.2, DE is equal to 4.2, sorry, right? DE is equal to 4.2, then find BC. So dear student, I write here, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A is equal to A. Find out here, this A is common between both triangles. So angle A is equal to angle A. Angle ADE here, angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, angle ABC, because it is given that in your question. So by asymmetry, both are angles, by asymmetry, triangle AD is similar to ABC. So first is proved. Next, if it is similar, then their corresponding sides are the proportional. How you write the proportional sides of the triangle if these are similar? So dear students, if you take angle to the similar, then by the help of these angles, you can write there the proportional sides of the similar triangle. Here is angle A in AD. So in AD, angle A is here, so it is D by angle A, BC. So D by BC. Next, ADE, it is A. So I write here A is equal to ABC, that is AC. So I write AC. Two sides write with the help of this angle, then the remaining side is right here. Because a triangle has only three sides, two sides write in the ratio with the help of these two angles. So remaining sides right here. And now substitute their value according to my question, not in your book. According to my question, because I change here, I write D 4.2, in your book here BC 4.2. So according to my questions, I write D 4.2, and find BC. So you put their values 3.6 by AC, 4.2 by BC, 3.8 by 5.7. How it is 5.7? Because it is AB and AB is equal to AE plus EB. So add them, then you get 5.7. By cross multiplication, 3.8 into BC is equal to 4.2 into 5.7. Then BC is equal to 4.2 into 5.7 by 3.8. 19 3 ja, 19 2 ja, and 2 2.1 ja. Multiply them, then you write their answer 3 and 6. So 6.3 cm. That's your answer. Question number 7, that is, in the given figure, CAB is 90 degree, CAB 90 degree, and AD perpendicular to BC, AD perpendicular to BC, so it is also 90. So that triangle BDA means this a small triangle, are similar to triangle BAC, large triangle, and hence if AC given 75, AB given 1 meter, BC given 1.25 meter, find AD. So first your work is find the similarity relation between them. So I write here in triangle BDA and triangle BAC. Dear student, in triangle BDA, angle D is 90. In triangle BDA, angle D is 90. And in triangle BAC, angle A is 90. I write given in your question. Next, this DBA in a small triangle is equal to large triangle CBA. Both are same. Common, this angle are common in a small triangle and also common in large triangle. So it is common between them. So I write here DBA is equal to CBA. So by A similarity, these two triangles are similar. So first is proved. Now if it is similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. Again I told you, I take the proportional of their sides if triangle are similar. So again dear student, if take only if your triangle are similar, then according to their angles, you write their proportional sides. So see here, that is D is equal to A. So D, opposite of D is AB. I write it AB. Is equal to A. Opposite of A is BC. I write here BC. Next, angle DBA, a small triangle, DBA, it is AD, I write AD. And large triangle, opposite of DBA is AC, so I write AC. A triangle with only 3 sides, you write AB, AD. In a small triangle, you write AB and AD, then clear, BD is remain, so I write here BD. In large triangle, BC, AC, you write with the help of the angle, then the remaining side is AB, so I write here AB. Now substitute their value. So AB is 1, I write here 1. BC is 1.25, I write here 1.25. AD you have to find, so I write here AD. And AC is 0.75 because it is 75 cm. I convert into meter, so 0.75 meter. You have find to AD, so don't write this. By cross multiplication, you write 1.25 into AD is equal to 0.75 into 1. So what is AD? 0.75 by 1.25. By 25 cancel it, 25 5 ja and 25 3 ja. So 3 by 5 meter is AD and it is 10 unit decimal, that is 0.6 meter. Other you can also write 60 cm, both are right. Now question number 9, exercise 7. Student, in the given figure, ABC is 90 degree. This is 90 degree, it is given, and BD perpendicular to AC. BD perpendicular to AC. If BD 8 cm, this BD is 8 cm, AD 4, find CD. In this figure, there are 3 triangles. Find out 2 a small triangle and 1 is large triangle. When you find the relation of similarity, then you get some problem. That is, you take similar both a small triangle, otherwise first a small, then large, yeah, this a small and then other large. So there are 3 conditions this type figure. First, both a small triangle. Next, one a small, another is big. Third, one other a small, another is big. So you have to problem how to take similar from the help of your question. You find out here is AD4 and you asking you have to DC. Find out AD4 and find CD. It is clear that both are in the small triangle. AD in a small triangle ADB and DC in a small triangle BDC. So dear student, you find the relation between these two a small triangle from the help of your questions. Some questions you take this small and large. Other questions you take this small and large. But in this question, here given AD and here given you have to find CD, then it is clear that you take the similarity relation between these two a small triangle. So I write here that is ABC 90, given it. So ABC is 90, that means 1 plus 2 is 90. Equation first. And it is right angle triangle also, so it is 90. Then 2 plus 3 is also 90 by angle sum property, because 3 angle 180 degrees sum of it. So from equation first and second, RHS is equal, so I write LHS is equal, both cancel, that is 1 is equal to 3. Now find the relation between these two triangles. One name is BDA, another name is CDB. What are equal? First, 1 is equal to 3, proved above, I write here, 1 is equal to 3, proved above from here. Next, angle D is equal to D. D is 90 and this D is also 90 because BD perpendicular to AC. So D is equal to D, that is 90. Hence BDA similar to CDB. That means these two triangles are similar. If dear student, these two triangles are similar, then you take their sides in the proportional and it is proportionally equal. How you can take? 1 is equal to 3, right? Here is 1, so AD. Here is 3, so BD. Next, D is equal to D, opposite of D, AB, and opposite of D, BC. So I write BC. A triangle has only 3 sides. AD and AB right, AD and AB right, then what is remaining? BD in this triangle. In this triangle, you write BD and BC. You write BD and BC. What is remaining? DC. That is C. I write here C. In your questions, you have need find AD or given BD. So I take only these two terms. AD by BD is equal to BD by CD. I write it. That means BD square barabar AD into CD. BD is given 8, that is 8 square, is equal to 4 into CD. 8 square means 64. Then 64 is equal to 4 into CD. Then what is CD? 64 divided by 4, that is 16 centimeter or meter. Answer is 16 cm, that is C. Now question number 10. It is given that P and Q are points on the sides AB and AC respectively of triangle ABC. P and Q are points of the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC such that AP is equal to 2 cm, PB is equal to 4 cm, AQ is equal to 3 cm and QC is equal to 6 cm. Then show that BC is equal to 3 PQ. This is the related to their similar. And here is only two triangles. One is a small and another is large. So find the relation between this triangle and then you could find your solution. That is, you write AP by AB. AP the small triangle and AB is large triangle. What you get? AP2, then AB6. So it is cancelled, you get 1 by 3. Next, AQ by AC. AQ by AC, that is 3 and AC 9. That is also 1 by 3. That means RHS is equal, so we write LHS is equal. So AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC. Now find the relation between APQ and APC. So in triangle APQ and triangle ABC, AP by AB is equal to AQ by AC, proved above. And angle A is common because angle A is also present in this small triangle and this angle is also present in large triangle. Both are common and both lie between two sides, that is SAS. So these two triangles are similar by SAS, side, angle, side. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are in the proportionally equal. Here is two proportional are given, AP by AB, AQ by AC. So I write AP by AB, AQ by AC, two given in your question. Then what is the remaining sides? You write AP, AQ, AP, AQ. Then what is remaining? That is PQ. I write here PQ. In large triangle, you write AB, AC, AB, AC. Then what is remaining? BC. I write here BC. and this is equal to 1 by 3 from here. Both are given 1 by 3. So you write 1 by 3 is equal to PQ by BC. Cross multiplication. So BC is equal to 3PQ, and it is your solution. See question number 11. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. E is the point on BC. E is the point on BC. If the diagonal BD intersects AE, if the diagonal BD intersects AE at F, then prove that AF into FB is equal to EF into FB. Dear student, this type of questions you find what part to use in this question. Here use AF FB, find out AF FB DF EF. That means all the parts lie between these two triangles. So you take the relation between these two triangles. So write here AFD in triangle AFD and triangle EFB. Angle A is equal to angle E. This angle A is equal to E. These are alternate angles because the lines are parallel and it is a transversal. Lines are parallel because it is a parallelogram. So angle A is equal to angle E. Next, angle D is equal to B. This angle D is equal to B. Again, this line are parallel and it is a transversal line. So these angles are also equal by alternate interior angle. So by A similarity, the AFD is similar to EFB. Means these two triangles are similar. According to their angles, you take the ratio of their sides. Angle A is equal to angle E. You write here angle A is equal to E. So opposite of A is DF and opposite of E is FB. Right here. Next, D is equal to B. D means AF. B is EF. Cross multiplication. Then you write AF into FB is equal to DF into EF. It is your question, that is solution. Next question, try to twice.